Yeah. Damn. Nice. Got something good here. Let's see what we got. First of all, you know it's something good what we got. One of these. Just a white box. Yes, sir. 3.5 Terminator X Max 24X with EV6 with trans and drive with D, and D with drive-by-wire throttle body control, self-learning EFI system. All right. This is the LCD screen, 3-inch. That won't be here long. Oh, this one, the engine harnesses. This connects to the cylinder head. This is the ground. They go on the edges of the cylinder heads. Got a relay here. I think that's the fuel relay. I don't know what this is. This goes into the end of the ECU. Got another relay. I think that goes into the side of the, that's like goes to the oil pressure side. Oh, no. This is a transmission harness. This is for the 4L80 transmission harness. We know what these are. These are the EV6 injectors. As y'all know, I'm going with a Hellcat supercharger, and the original Hellcat superchargers come with EV6 injectors. So this is one of the harnesses for the injectors. But the good thing about this is if I decide to go change injectors, I can always buy a different harness that'll go to those. So hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is all 8. My fault. Just making sure I only seen 4 on that thing. And then this is the auxiliary. If I want to add other things like fans, this auxiliary harness. I don't know what this harness goes to. Let's see. Just go to something we don't know right now. We'll look at that book later. And this is the wideband O2 sensor. Man, a lot of stuff. I don't know. This thing was $2,000. I don't know if that's $2,000 worth of stuff. Let's see here. I don't know what the, oh, these are the connectors for the whatchamacallits. Here is the ECU. Well, this thing is light. Man, I thought this thing would have been heavy. Yeah, I thought this thing would have been heavy. Let me get my handy box opener. It ain't going back now, so there ain't no reason not to open it now. Let's see. It's hard to do this with only one hand. big Terminator X Max. Let's go. The big boy. Yes, sir. This is what you're paying for. Now, I think the harness is like $400 or $500, but this is what you're paying for. Let's go. The knife did not come in the box. All right. Let me give you, what's this? What's in here? There's something in here. So here goes the warranty card, which I'll fill out right away. And oh, they give you a sticker. You spend all that money and they give you a sticker. Let's see. Here goes the system pamphlet, all the directions. Oh yeah, it's fire. All these are the same. I think that the only difference is the harnesses. All these are the same. When I was messing with the software, you can go in there and select different cars, like different setups. They have a couple bass tunes for supercharged vehicles, so you can select all different. So I like that they come in color pictures. So that's dope. Okay, Holley, see you. I don't know what's in here. I want to know. Oh, this is the drive-by-wire harness. So if you get one that's not drive-by-wire, if you get like just the one that just comes with the, like if you go with a cable throttle body, then you won't get this harness. So this harness, it's a lot cheaper if you don't go drive-by-wire. I want to go drive-by-wire because I like the tuning part of drive-by-wire. There's more things, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, there's more things you can do drive-by-wire than cable, but I know a lot of people who got real strong motors that are drive-by-cable, so let's see here. Hold on. Check that out for a second. They're trying to protect this harness, boy. Hold on, y'all. There we go. That's the drive-by-wire harness. Look, I didn't go to the OEM one, except for the connectors are a little bit different. This connector is all the same for all these, but the one that goes into the computer. It's nice, man. It's nice, man. Nice. Man. Damn. I guess the real question is it worth $2,000? You won't see me for a little bit. So we will eventually find out if it's worth $2K, but not today. Not today, but soon. I already done destroyed the box and everything, man. Damn. I'm gonna put everything back in here so it don't get lost. But man, I'm excited. This is like the last piece of the puzzle for me. I'm waiting on a couple pieces. I say that. I'm waiting on a couple pieces for the motor, for the, shout out to FabWorks, man. I'm waiting on a couple pieces for FabWorks, for the Hellcat supercharger that's going on the LS. Shout out to FabWorks. Kind of doing a sponsorship on it. So on the Delcat. So Delcat. So that's the 550 934 ECU Terminator X Max boy, that's a bag, boy. 2 bands to start your motor is crazy, but it's all worth it. The reason I went with Holley is because they got a lot of tuning options that other systems don't got. Well, other systems have, but they are, a lot of people know the Holley system is a lot easier to tune. I feel I could do a lot more of the tuning, so that's why I went with this. So there you have it. Holley Terminator X Max, $559.34. Let's get it.